life, a choice that I should make. Don't allow me to linger and settle on the list. Don't allow me to choose by myself while you have prepared the best. Lord, I'm not clear about your way. I'm prone to go astray. Without your light and leading, I can't go on this way. Don't allow me to linger and settle on the lace. Don't allow me to choose by myself while you have prepared the best. Don't give me a choice between your will and my interference. Still dwelling on the outward life and natural preference. Don't allow me to linger and settle on the lace. Don't allow me to choose by myself while you have prepared the best. With all my personal desires, incline my heart to you. How could I live a joyful life if it's apart from you? Don't allow me to linger and settle on the lace. Don't allow me to choose by myself while you have prepared the best. Direct my steps on life's journey, Lord, lead me every day. When reaching on the crossroad bumps, don't let me choose my way. Don't allow me to linger and settle on the lace. Don't allow me to choose by myself while you have prepared the best. A longing step within my heart, Lord, do fill every part. Make me just satisfied in you and never will depart. Don't allow me to linger and settle on the lace. Don't allow me to choose by myself